Now, those declining COVID case numbers have many Mid-South healthcare workers more optimistic than they've been in months, but that's not all. Caitlin McCarthy is live outside Methodist University Hospital in Midtown tonight. Caitlin, in addition to these encouraging numbers, we also learned Merck has filed for emergency use authorization for an at-home COVID pill. What else has health experts looking up tonight?
Well, Richard, at least 75% of the U.S. has received at least one dose of vaccine. And while the pandemic isn't over yet, one Mid-South doctor says we're much closer to reaching herd immunity. Healthcare workers are seeing positive signs of the pandemic. The transmission rate in Shelby County is at the lowest it's been since the beginning of this. Infectious disease specialist Dr. Manoj Jain says the county has also reached 80% herd immunity.
That looks very promising, that the number of individuals who have had the infection or have had the vaccination is well above 80%.
Dr. Jain is more optimistic, but he says we need to continue masking and being cautious.
We have to keep in mind that number changes because the immunity can wane and new variants can come which can evade the vaccine or evade previous infection.
Also, pharmaceutical company Merck could be granted emergency use authorization for its at-home COVID-19 pill. Morgan Jones, a clinical pharmacy specialist with Methodist University Hospital, says the pill will help with some aspects of the fight against COVID-19.
It's not a medication that could prevent the spread of the coronavirus, but it is potentially a medication that could alleviate strain on America's hospitals.
While 3/4 of the country has at least one dose of vaccine, Jones says the challenge we face now is kids who are not eligible to get vaccinated or those who are immunocompromised.
The thing that has me the most cautiously optimistic is the fact that hopefully in the next 30 to 60 days, we're going to get authorization for the vaccine in 5 to 11-year-olds. I really do think the key to ending this pandemic is being able to immunize as many people as possible.
And Caitlin joins us live again. It's good to hear some optimism after such a long summer, Caitlin, but what's holding them back saying we might just be at the end of this pandemic? We haven't heard them say that.
Well, Richard, it comes down to a couple of things. We don't know if we're going to see a spike in cases following the holidays, as much more of us are going to be spending time with people outside our household. And we don't know if any new variants will emerge in the coming months and cause a surge in cases like the Delta variant did. So Dr. Jain says there's still a lot of uncertainty as we fight this pandemic. Richard?
Caitlin McCarthy reporting live from